So I've always been interested in flavor in tomato, and in making crosses over the years we tended to try to put better flavored tomatoes into the crosses. There's a lot of factors that make it complicated. We don't understand the precision of a lot of the genes, and you basically have to match up yield and improved flavor, and that's going to mean higher sugars. But there's a negative relationship between sugar production and yield. So if you have more fruit, that sugar is distributed in all those fruit. If you have less fruit that might have higher sugars, then on top of that is an array of aromatic volatiles that we perceive through our olfactory system or through smell. So it's a matter of balancing these things out and trying to put that all together in something that a farmer would want to grow. There's generally around 33,000 acres of tomatoes in Florida, maybe up to 35. And in general, the crop value is about $500 million. And unfortunately for our main industry, we've had a couple bad years where the price has been kind of low because of the large volume of tomatoes that are in this system. And we're trying to get around that with TASTI-LEE. There's two main features about TASTI-LEE. One is it's a widely adaptable variety. So it has an ability to produce marketable fruit, a reasonable amount of marketable fruit under a wide range of growing conditions. The other thing is the flavor. Now with TASTI-LEE, we did some studies over 6 years, 10 trials, and looked. And what it appears happened in TASTI-LEE versus another standard type tomato is TASTI-LEE is lower in some of the volatiles that cause some off flavors in tomato, kind of a mushroomy, musty, sour type volatiles. And we didn't know that. We selected it by tasting the fruit. Everything we do, we hope one day we'll get in varieties and make it easier for our tomato growers to make a living growing tomatoes here in Florida. We look at thousands of different lines of tomatoes each season, and to hit one that then gets grown so people are earning a living growing it, and hopefully people are enjoying eating it, it's the greatest feeling in the world. That's what it's all about.